Bitcoin dominance. One of the most important indicators that traders use is the Bitcoin dominance indicator. What is Bitcoin dominance and what are its applications? The Bitcoin dominance indicator is a key metric in the cryptocurrency market that measures Bitcoin's share of the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. This indicator helps investors and analysts better understand market trends and make more informed trading decisions. Bitcoin dominance is calculated as a percentage and shows how much of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization is attributed to Bitcoin. The formula for calculating it is as follows. Bitcoin dominance is the ratio of Bitcoin's market cap to the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. To calculate it, first divide Bitcoin's market cap by the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Then multiply the result by 100 to get the percentage. Market cap of Bitcoin. The market capitalization of Bitcoin, circulating supply multiplied by current price of Bitcoin. Total market cap of all cryptocurrencies, the combined market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. Why is Bitcoin dominance important? BTC dominance helps traders understand whether money is flowing into Bitcoin or altcoins. Let's break it down. 1. Bullish market for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's price rises and dominance increases, it signals that money is primarily moving into Bitcoin and altcoins may underperform. 2. Altseason. When BTC dominance drops while altcoins gain momentum, it's often a sign of an altseason, where investors move capital from Bitcoin into alternative cryptocurrencies. 3. Bearish market. If Bitcoin's price drops but dominance rises, it typically signals a risk-off market, where traders are pulling out of altcoins to seek safety in Bitcoin. Applications of the Bitcoin dominance indicator. 1. Identifying market trends. Increasing Bitcoin dominance. When Bitcoin dominance rises, it often indicates that investors are moving toward Bitcoin as a safer asset. This typically happens during periods of high market volatility or when investors are risk-averse. Decreasing Bitcoin dominance. A decline in Bitcoin dominance may signal growing interest in altcoins. This usually occurs during bull markets when investors seek higher returns from newer projects. 2. Analyzing the relationship between Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin dominance helps traders understand the inverse correlation or relationship between Bitcoin and altcoins. For example, if Bitcoin dominance decreases, altcoins may experience an upward trend. 3. Investment decision-making. Investors can use Bitcoin dominance to allocate their assets. For instance, if Bitcoin dominance is rising, investors might prefer to allocate more of their portfolio to Bitcoin. 4. Predicting market shifts. Bitcoin dominance can act as a leading indicator. For example, a sharp increase in Bitcoin dominance might signal an upcoming correction in the altcoin market. 5. Identifying trading opportunities. Traders can use Bitcoin dominance to spot opportunities in the altcoin market. For instance, if Bitcoin dominance reaches a historical resistance level, it might be a good time to sell Bitcoin. and by altcoins. Now that we are familiar with the importance of Bitcoin dominance, let us examine Bitcoin dominance at the moment. How to view Bitcoin dominance on TradingView. 1. Go to TradingView. 2. In the search bar, type BTC.D. 3. Select the Bitcoin dominance chart. On the TradingView site, we select the weekly time frame. Bitcoin dominance is currently at 61. It is clear from the chart that at the beginning of the market, Bitcoin dominance was almost 100%, and the entire cryptocurrency market was in the hands of Bitcoin. However, with the entry of other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's share of the market has gradually decreased, and buyers have turned to other currencies and altcoins. The first historical drop occurred in 2017, during which Bitcoin dominance fell from 94% to 35%. This date also almost coincided with the beginning of the increase in the price of Bitcoin, and the price of Bitcoin increased from $1,000 to $20,000. This shows that as Bitcoin starts to grow and the market starts to rise, buyers' interest in altcoins and other cryptocurrencies to earn higher profits will move to other cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin dominance will decrease because the profits in altcoins are several times higher than Bitcoin. With the start of Bitcoin's decline from 2018 to 2019, Bitcoin dominance has increased again to 70%. This is the reason for the heavy declines in altcoins and other currencies. Because Bitcoin is less risky than other currencies, when it falls, buyers convert their assets to Bitcoin to reduce losses. In 2020 to 2021, Bitcoin dominance again rose from 70 to 40%, and this coincided with Bitcoin's growth from 20,000 to 65,000. With the start of Bitcoin's decline, Bitcoin dominance has increased again to its current level of 60%. This is a strong resistance for dominance. If this resistance is broken, it will probably increase to 70%. But it is clear on the chart that the dominance uptrend has broken and has pulled back after the decline. Given the start of Bitcoin's upward trend and the breakdown of the 65,000 resistance, there is a high probability that dominance will fall to the 40% level, and the alt season will begin. For this reason, buying altcoins will be more profitable. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Your support helps us create more videos like this. Let's grow and learn together.